In this tutorial, we're going to add a tree to InQI Site Plan. Remember, whatever we see on a site plan is whatever we can print out or export out or use in the furthermore in the artificial intelligence processing. The process is very simple. From the toolbar, select the trees. You then simply go to the area on your site plan where you want to place it, and a single click, you place a tree on that spot. You can name a tree, whatever you want it to be, and you can select from the product the type of tree that you want it to be placed there. For example, this one, we select this one here. You can set the height of the tree, and once you save it, basically becomes part of the project. You see that there is a tree place here. Now, how does this show on a site plan? As a tree, just like any other tree that might be on a project. But in a 3D view, it will show the tree in a location that is placed. And if you zoom in, the object of tree will be shown and you can roam around it. The benefit of this is that once you place any kind of tree or planting on the ground, based on the location, which is to the scale, you can then go to export and select the type of export you want, and then take it to your favorite editor to do further processing of your design, if that's what you wish to do.